Here's how to fix this device isn't compatible with your version of Android. Now, if you have your Android phone, but you're popping up with a message every time you want to go and install an app, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's swipe up from here because we need to get into your settings. So tap on the settings icon. And the very first thing we'll do is we'll scroll down to the very bottom and tap on software update. And then tap download and install. This might sound simple, but just updating to the latest version of Android, you can see Android version 15, will help fix this issue. So if there is a software update, that almost always will fix the issue. However, let's say there isn't an update. There are two other options you have. Let's go back out of here and tap on apps towards the top. Now we'll do two things in here. Let's scroll down until we get to the Google Play Store. So tap on Google Play Store. And from here, all we're going to do is scroll down, tap on storage. We're going to clear the cache and clear the data. And after we've done that, let's just go back out of here, tap the three dots at the top right, and uninstall these updates. The reason why we're going to do this is it will allow us to reinstall that version to the latest version of the Google Play Store. And if you see, if I go down to the Google Play Store, I can tap on it, tap on the version here, and it's the latest version again. Now let's go back out of here and also do the same thing with Google Play Services. From here, we're going to scroll down until we get to storage. We're going to clear the cache and clear the data as well. Hit clear all data. After we've done that, we'll do the same thing. We'll go back and tap on the three dots and uninstall these updates and hit OK. Essentially, this uninstalls to an older version of Google Play Services, and then we can install the latest version by just tapping on App Details in Store and just tapping on Update here. And when you go through the process of updating it, both Google Play Services and Google Play Store, everything should be working. You should be able to download any apps that you want. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.